Hi, now I will show you a bot that can help you to actually rank your videos on YouTube. So when we basically upload our new videos on YouTube, the videos are not on trending or not on the top of our search list. So to make that on the top of our search list, we can use this bot um, that will help us. Okay. So at first we need to select the video. So let's just say I will now choose a video from my channel. Okay, so let's just select this one. Okay, now after opening the video we just need to copy its ID. The ID is after v equal to and before the end. Okay, so this is the ID. So now we copy the ID and let's just run the bot. And there are some other things that you need to put some related videos that are already in the ranking that will help you to actually rank your videos. So you need to put some videos that are in the ranking in the similar category. Okay, and then if you want to use proxies, you can put your proxies here, and I recommend you to use proxies to make it more effective. Then we just need to run the bot. So when we run the bot, it will ask that we want to use the proxies or not. So for now we are not using the proxies. Then it will ask for the video ID, the partial video link. So it is the video ID. Now press enter. Now it will ask for the search query, that for which search you want your videos to be ranked, and make sure that it's a related uh, query. Otherwise your video won't even show in the search query in the search. So just say if you are trying to rank your videos in any game or any kind of like the paid video or anything, then you just need to make sure that your video will come in the search, but maybe that won't come in the top, or maybe that will come after 100 videos or 50 videos, 30 videos. Okay, and now you just want to rank that up to the top 10 or top 5 videos. Okay, so let's just to demonstrate we are just putting here now our channel's name, that's main bot py, pressing enter. Now it will ask for the delay between each operation, so or each loop. So it's better to put here something like 10 seconds and 30 seconds. Now the rest will be done by the bot itself. We don't need to do anything else. So as you can see, it will at first open the Chrome. It will wait for some time in this home page. Now it will search for the keyword. It has searched with the keyword, you can see, and it has got the video. Okay, also you can see here the actions. We just mute. Okay, you can also see the actions here. So our video is on rank 14. It found the video on rank 14 and it clicked on the video. Then it visited the video and autoplay disabled. It has been the bot disabled the autoplay so that it doesn't go to the next video, and the bot will watch the video till the end, and then it will watch the other videos that are already in rank that we have mentioned in the text file, And actually if there is if there is any ads also, it will skip the ad to save your time. Okay, so actually this is how the bot will work. And if you are interested in this bot, you can just contact me on Telegram. We can discuss there. And of course it's not a free bot, so keep that in mind, but it doesn't cost you so much. It's comparatively cheap, so you can just contact me if you are interested in this bot. Thank you.